There we go, y'all. Good morning. Hey, I decided I was gonna come down a different trail or a different side of the creek this morning with the same mic that I used in yesterday's video, even though it wasn't yesterday's video. Hold on right quick, y'all. Let's listen to this. Hey, so what I decided to do, y'all, is I had to lower the video quality because I wanted to keep the audio quality the same. So let's try that this morning. Here we go. Hey, good morning, y'all. It's your boy, and I'm back out for another morning walk. Hey, y'all, I hit my goal again yesterday. So I think I'm in like 21 days in a row. Went for a swim. Look, the swim don't really count, y'all. Look, I always say something don't count. Look, you can count it if you want to. It don't matter. Hey, but one of my clients slash somebody else who's getting motivated into, getting into shape and getting active, he was at the pool yesterday. I ain't gonna say I talked more than I normally would, but I did. But that ain't make up for all of this. Hold on right quick. There's some good stuff right here. Hey, that was dope right there. I like that. So, basically, your boy out here playing in the water again. I ain't gonna do much talking today, y'all. I'm having fun. I love the way this sounds. So, y'all enjoy the sounds the way I'm enjoying the sounds. And I'll talk, man, when I'm ready to. I'm liking the sounds. I can't listen to them while I'm talking. Hold on. I feel like a person out metal detecting. Like I'm looking for the best sounds in the morning. Hey, I don't know what, but that might not be the best sound, but it looked good from here. Hey, I'm loving the way this sound, y'all. Hey, I done messed up. I was coming out here briefing y'all on my day, and I found something I enjoyed more. So, ain't much happened yesterday, y'all. That's how my day looked. Oh, I did. I went and picked up some deer feed. I'm about to start feeding the deer in my yard. Let them spend some more time with Penny. Hold on. Jackpot. Hey, that just sounded amazing. Hold on. I like that. I'll watch that when I get home, guaranteed. Hey, good morning, y'all. Get up, get out, get active. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. And I'm gonna play in this water and let y'all listen. I now understand why people are so fascinated with these boots. These boots have allowed me to go places that I feel I was never able to go before. Hey, people be commenting on these boots all the time. Hold on. Here go a good one, I bet you. Hey, that was tight. Hold on, here go a good one. Ooh. We'll get to that. Let's do this one first. Hey, I like that one. It was a little hard on my ears, but I like that one. That should have woke y'all up and got y'all out the bed this morning. I don't know why y'all still laying around. Hey, you could at least be getting your steps in on the treadmill and working with me. Hey, for all y'all men who feel like, hey, I can't get out the house and do that. I ain't got nowhere around my house that I could do that. Hey, get the vacuum and put some lines in your carpet. You know what I'm saying? Help out around the house. It ain't always got to be this. Get your steps in. I love vacuums. I'll show y'all that too. Just give me a minute. I'm going to show y'all everything. Hey, your boy can move in silence when he want to. Hey, good morning, y'all. Hey, I'll be out tripping in the morning. Hold on. If you couldn't hear me coming on this microphone, well, think about it in real life. It's a reason these deer don't know I'm here. Check this out. That's deep. I like that, y'all. Woo, my leg's killing me. Hey, stand down low like that for a long time, that is definitely a workout. I'm getting my steps in just like this every day, y'all. And now that I got this microphone and I can hear the water so much better, I'm loving it. I don't care. Y'all can think it's crazy. Y'all hear how I'm breathing? This junk is a workout. So, back at it. Hey, I could do this every day. Hey, I do this every day. Let me stop. Hey, I was that kid that me and my friends, we used to put like sticks and stuff in the water and watch them race down the little, anywhere we could get water running. I mean, after it rained, we'd be outside racing something down the waterway. Whatever waterway we could find, we racing it. I'm saying, Whitewater Rapids right here. Hey, let me go get me some toys. I ain't stopped being a kid. I don't plan on stop being a kid. If you mad at me or don't like me because I'm out here doing this, you lost your childhood. I ain't losing mine. I'm getting it back. It ain't no reason to. Kids in a rush to be adults. Adults daggone acting like they wish they wasn't kids again. Not me. I ain't never stopped being a kid. My voice just changed. Hey, y'all don't know how true that is, y'all. Hold up. Gold mine right here. I can sit here all day. Oh, I changed it by standing in there. Gotta get, Now that sounds like somebody using the bathroom. Hey, I ain't tell y'all what this was gonna be in the morning. I just said it was gonna be a good morning. Y'all here, I'm here. What could be better, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I love this. Hey, but I found out I can't do this too long, or else my videos will take forever to upload, y'all. I wanted to bring out this in 4K too, but I don't know if I could do that no more either. So I had to make some sacrifices somewhere, because I got to give it to y'all every day. You know what I'm saying? What's the sacrifice that's needed? Because this is coming every day. If you don't like this, go ahead and do what you got to do. Because this is me now. I'm telling you, I love this. Hold on. That's the spot. Hey, the crazy thing is, I could do this every day and it's gonna be a different sound every single day. I mean, goodness, that sounded amazing. Oh, here go one more spot. Hey, oh no, okay. Hold on, y'all. So, I don't know how long this video gonna take to put up, but I see a whole lot of areas where I'm about to go play around. Y'all coming with me. I'm about to run through a little bit of this. Hey, that was dope. I know it had to look dope in that lens too. Hold on, let me get another one. Hey, it's like 28 degrees out here too today, y'all. I don't know what today's date is right now. Right on top of my head, I can't remember. But I know it's Tuesday. Oh, yeah. The day after Martin Luther King Day. So yeah. Hey, this is amazing right here. I might stay here a minute. All right, y'all. Hey, I'm gonna have to end this one right here. That was fun. I don't know how long this video gonna be, but I'm gonna tell you, I had fun. We'll be back out here. If everything goes, I hope, we'll be back out here tomorrow. Anyway, it's your boy with another morning walk. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all step count look like. I'm putting mine up on Instagram. I'm gonna see if I can't start putting pictures up on here. I don't know if I can post pictures or not without putting them in the video. I'm trying not to do too much editing because I'm trying to get these videos up as soon as possible. but I do have to at least edit this video to the audio. But that is going to be the minimum for now. Because I really want to get these out. Because I'm going to be honest, sitting in the house watching these is helping me. So when I can't be out here, I can sit and watch it. And I normally watch it the same way that y'all watch it, right on my channel. Hey, I appreciate everybody who support me, everybody who rock with me. I just want to let y'all know, I'm trying to put these out every day. And anybody who watch them the day of, you'll watch them commercial free. And then anybody who watch them after the day of, or the day that it comes out, because I be slacking. After I upload the next day's video, I will be putting commercials on the days that passed. So anybody who's watching it the days that passed, please help me, support me a little bit. I ain't saying watch every commercial, but every now and then, when you get up and go get something to drink out the refrigerator, let a commercial play. Hey, I appreciate it, y'all. It's helping. I appreciate everybody's support. And anybody who this helps. Hey, even if you don't tell me, I get let known just by seeing the views. I appreciate it. And I don't be expecting 1 million views. I'm saying every view that I get, I feel like it's somebody that I reached. And I'm telling you right now, if you were looking for a morning motivation walk and you found me, I appreciate it. But like I said, can't shoot these videos too long because they're taking too long to upload. So once again, good morning, y'all. Here go a little bit more footage on the way out. But this your boy, and I'm out. Enjoy this. And I hope this was a relaxing way to start your morning. Hey, everybody, I hope y'all off to a beautiful start. It's a beautiful day and y'all beautiful people. This your boy, and I'm out. "23 minutes ain't bad."